or even for cool sculpting, that is another body sculpting that we do. Cool sculpting, right on here in Indranagar, 100 Feet Road, I've seen so many of them advertising for cool sculpting when they don't even have the cool sculpting machine. And it becomes so tricky for the consumer. How the hell do I, find out if it is legit or not? But what cool sculpting does is whenever they see something like this, they will send them notices, and they will make them change the name or something. And we have seen where somebody has gone to a such place where they have said that they use cool sculpting, but they use some cheap Korean machine. There is a machine out there called Cool Touch. It is not the same as cool sculpting. So somebody using that, because there is no safety parameters built into these machines, because these are some cheap, no FDA clearance, no regulations, nothing in this machine. So they ended up burning the skin when nothing should be doing to your skin with cool sculpting, but it did end up burning their skin. So these are the mishaps we have seen. We have seen even with fillers. As I was telling you, there was a patient from Bhopal or Indore, I'm not sure, where we had somebody come in that had gotten injected 25 syringes of fillers on each breast to enlarge their breast, and come to find out they had used some cheap product from Korea or China, and when we touched them we felt like hard stones, and Dr. Akbar ended up dissolving that, and it took him almost 4 to 5 hours to just dissolve them. I don't know if she had left it for longer, what would have happened. Maybe a lot of her tissue would have been damaged if she didn't come on time to see us. So these are the kind of mishaps we see. Just because somebody advertises as derma filler doesn't mean all derma fillers are the same. Some of the brands that we use in the US, 90% of the time the filler that we use is Juvederm here and in the US as well. Very rarely we use Restylane, but Juvederm is our number one, and that is still the number one filler around the world. So you may want to ask for those things. You may want to do your research, but also Google gives you information. It doesn't give you knowledge. So, you're treading hot waters over here. So, yeah.